Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yebo, umkhulu moyane insizwa kaNkosi, uDlamini wekunene, sidlubula dledle sakanobambo. Now, today I'd like to talk about the struggle of understanding your gift, the struggle of understanding what's happening with you, the struggle of acceptance ukuthi khona ingulo engaphakathi kwenu. This comes with a lot of anxiety, this comes with a lot of depression, this comes with a lot of stress. In all this heaviness that comes with this gift, there's a clash of energies, there's a clash of emotions, there's a clash of your lifestyle, because of now we are more focused on how should we live our life. We are more focused on how we should attend and respond to the calling due to the lifestyle of today. Things definitely evolve. People evolve. Things change. It's all up to you and your ancestors on how you receive this calling. Ngesimo sokuthi kuba nabo uqobo lwabo lapha bangakhona, they have deadlines, they have like each and everything is calculated. Now, the anxiety that comes with it is that izokufaka ku-stress, izokufaka so that ukuthi unga-understand ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngayo. Now, the problem is that ukuthi thina singabantu we like to adopt. We do not allow our energies, we do not allow our ancestors to take over. We are more afraid of being we're going to be overthrown by these energies. You're going to be overthrown by amadlozi, which is not the case. The main focus here lies in that amadlozi on ourselves, they want to be a team player. But now we see it as a different element. We see it as a different energy that lefuna ukusihinda, lefuna ukusimoshela, lesifuna usibonakala ngathi iyasipunish. Njalo njalo is going to play with your emotions. Njalo njalo is going to play with how you think. Njalo njalo it changes the way you live your lifestyle. Njalo njalo you like it seems like you're in a battlefield of some sort, because of now your conscious mind and the energy itself, they are in a battlefield. That's why it becomes more difficult for you to understand what it's either are you in a depression mode, or is it illusion, or is it illusions? You do not understand that because of now the conscious mind doesn't understand the level of energy that comes with the gift. So that's why we tend to fight it. That's why we tend to ignore the signs. That's why we think it's illusions. That's why we think it's depression. That's why we're going to be diagnosed because of now the way is abnormal, right? Now ingulo will evolve itself now as amalanga lokahamba izo evolve njalo njalo. We just need to understand on how to tackle it and on how to attend to it ngendlela efanelekile, meaning that ukuthi ke sizoyilapha kanjani. Most of you tried phahla but ayiyala lentiyagolosa gezwa ntelezi gezwa kwenziwa. The main important thing is acceptance. The main important thing ukuvuma. Once uqala ukuvuma and not trying to manipulate them, not trying to like ukudla isikhathi, like nje trying ukuthi nje ithingcenge, most definitely sure izobona ngathi uyayisabotage. You understand? Bazobona ngathi uyabasabotage. Then after that it becomes izoza in a defense mode. When it's in defense mode, yila uzoqabanga ukuthi ngempela nje uyathakathwa, yilo uzoqabanga khona ukuthi ngempela nje izinto zakho nje unesichitho njalo njalo. Yona self idlozi lakho liyakwazi ukusithena ukuthi kube isichitho. Hey, lona idlozi lakho liyakwazi ukusithena ukuthi kube isilwane. Now it's because of now lifuna ukusave now, because of now nabo bahamba basebenza under a certain time, nabo basebenza under isikhathi esithize ukuze bakwazi ukuthi babone ukuthi basebenzela phezu kwalo. Now, it's all in understanding, it's all in acceptance. Once uvuma, once allow the energy, once allow amadlozi wakho to take over, most definitely sure izinto zizohamba ke manje zishintshe because of now izenza isichitho, because of now you trying to fight it. Izenza isichitho izenza ukuthi manje izohamba it take, like it's gonna take each and every single thing that you worked hard for. Then uzobona ukuthi hayi ngempela amadlozi wakho awakuthandi, kanti bona bayahamba balwisa this conscious mind yokuthi hayi awubathandi, hayi awubavumi, hayi awufuni ubasebenzela. Le nto le 50-50 nika. It doesn't mean that when you accept the gift, it simply means that ukuthi uzosebenza bona why. Isebenza nge-50-50, bayakunika nawe uyabanika. It's not all about take. You must consume this energies, you must consume lamandla lawo, so that you understand ukuthi kwenzakala ngempilo yakho. So amadlozi wakho, they will allow you to live. But now kwamele kube yinikana. Kwamele you must understand each other's, the level of thinking, the level of doing things. You must understand each other ngendlela yokuthi ke manje nisebenzisana kanjani, ngoba amadlozi, they are not there, they are not meant ukuthi ke manje kwamele ba dictate on what to do and what not to do. Isimo sokusebenzisana, because of now they're using your body, they're using your like nje umzimba ukuthi bakusebenzise kahle bakwenza umelusi, so that ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubhadele ikweleti zabo, ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ngempela nje ubaphilise, ukuze ukwazi ubreak the generational curses. It's all up to that. You just need to know how to accept. Thokozani.